everybody, and welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Thank you for joining us. We're excited to draw today. Today we are going to draw NBA superstar Jordan Poole of the Golden State Warriors. Jordan Poole played college basketball for the Michigan Wolverines, was drafted in 2019, round 1, number 28 to the Golden State Warriors. Nicknamed Poole Party, he was an NBA champion with the Warriors in the 2021-22 season and made it to the NCAA championship game with the Wolverines in 2017-2018. So let's get started. Jordan Poole, find your up and down center and your across center. We'll do Jordan Poole's head right here. Jordan Poole, we've had a request several times for this player. He's awesome. He's a rising superstar and a great ball handler. So let's get started. We'll draw the jaw right here. Kind of a skinnier face, so let's go down. Rounded jaw to the chin. Come straight across, up, and stop. So there's kind of a skinnier, rounded jaw. His ears are going to go up and poke out kind of at the bottom. Up and poke out at the bottom. The side of the head's going to round out, kind of bulge out on both sides. And there it's going to come up to kind of a point on top and down to connect. Alrighty. So his eyes, we're going to draw some ovals, but they're going to be kind of slanted down a little bit. So oval 1, oval 2. Not very big eyes. Let's do a circle on both eyes on the inside and a smaller circle on the inside of those eyes. Little arch, and fill in the eye, leaving those circles white. Those are the highlights of the eyes and kind of bring our characters to life, as we like to say. So fill in both of these eyes with the dark marker. And really quick, I'm going to jump over and grab my baby blue marker and fill in this area right here with baby blue. We always say that this adds some character, and it's the reflection of the stadium lights off the character's eyes. So let's get some eyebrows. Jordan Poole's got some bushy eyebrows, so big arch, kind of slanted up. Big arch, slanted up. Big thick eyebrows. So we're gonna come over here and to a point. Come straight across and down to a point. You can color those in now if you like, just so you know what's going on. We'll fill those in a little bit better in the fast forward on this video. All right, let's do the nose. So come straight down from the eye, do a little dot. Come straight down from the eye, do a little dot. That'll be the edge of the nostril. We're gonna do a sideways raindrop. See that? 1, 2, sideways raindrops. Bring those in a little bit, and a little side arch on each side of the raindrop for the nostrils. Looking good. Now we're gonna draw Jordan Poole. He has a big smile. So we're gonna go up and stop, up, down, and stop. Now on the edge of the lip, we're gonna curve it up just a little bit to add that smile. Drop it down, straight across, and up into the smile. See how that works? The corner of the mouth gets a little bit of dark colored in, and his lip starts on the edge, kind of goes up and straight across and down. Just kind of a straight lip. Not a lot of ups and downs on this guy. And his bottom lip, let's do a little line. He's got a bushy little chin beard right here. Now he's got a mustache. This mustache is kind of, let's do a smile line. Smile line. The mustache follows the contour of his lip. It just goes straight across. So I'm gonna scribble up and down with my dark black marker. And there's his mustache. Okay. So let's do his hairline. We're gonna go up, over and up. Kind of fill that in so you know that that's his hair on both sides. And now his hair cuts straight across. So just arch and connect that. And we'll fill this in a little bit better on the fast forward. I'm just gonna show you that that's gonna be the hair. Okay, let's do the neck. Let's go down, slant in, down, slant in, curve down, curve up, okay? Jersey, jersey, round out for the arm, come down to the waist, straight across, round out for the armpit area, connect to the waist. Now let's do some shorts. Down, straight across, up, down, straight across, slant to the waist, and connect, okay? All right, and legs. So let's do down and bulge out for the calf, arch. Down, bulge out for the calf, and arch. We're gonna do some big clown shoes like we always do. We have a lot of fun with these. So the tongue of the shoe, 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces, 1, 2, 3 bumps. Bring that big clown shoe out toward the edge and down. Straight across, and we're gonna stop at the ankle, stop, and round and connect. Okay, bring this ankle down, round, stop, straight across to the edge of the paper, stop, round out and connect to the shoelace. There's a shoe. Right here we're gonna do a big basketball. So draw a big circle. As best as you can. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for the thumb. That's his hand dribbling the basketball. We're gonna do his shoulder, bump, shoulder, bump. Okay? Kind of this arch, arch. And now his forearm is gonna stop into the basketball, bump, stop into the basketball. We'll just fill this in, kind of the jersey, fill that in dark. Over here we're gonna do a hand, so watch this. We'll do his thumb. It's gonna be kind of pointing out at us. So there's his thumb, round up to a finger, 1, 2, 3, and the pinky, 4, up, down, and connect. Okay? So now let's do, his arm is gonna be just kind of hidden behind that hand, just stops, so it's a rounded forearm, bump, and stop in the thumb. Color this area dark, and there we have Jordan Poole blocked in. So, here's what we're gonna do. Now we are going, actually, let's just do it right now. Why not? Let's do our blue. We're gonna give him a white jersey, so get the blue Golden State Warriors with a pointed tip here. See how I'm leaving a white gap? I'm gonna color that in yellow in a minute, so I'm just gonna do the blue. Blue might be a little bit dark, you guys. Maybe I chose the wrong blue, oh no. Let's see. So our markers have numbers on them. So there's B28 and B118. Let's try B118 and see if that works a little bit better. Yep, that's the one we want. That's okay, we'll leave that there and we'll do this sleeve, round it out with the blue. Round this sleeve out with the blue. Maybe we'll color over this. Let's see if it brings in the color. Yeah, we're doing okay. So over here, we're gonna do a blue on the bottom. Blue on the bottom. I'm gonna do a blue stripe arch down. On the shoes, we usually start skinny and go kind of wider on the edge, on the bottom. So down, start skinny and go wider toward the bottom. We'll color this into the fast forward. So that'll be blue. All right, next we want to do the blue circle here. good as we can. So the blue circle of the Golden State Warriors logo. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna color this in blue and come over it with a yellow Prismacolor pencil. You hear that? So we're actually gonna use pencil, colored pencil, not just marker. And here's how that works. It's not perfect, but we use these Prismacolor pencils. If you want to check these out, they're in the link below. Check those out. Prismacolor, it's a high quality, kind of more expensive pencil. Lays down a little more color than normal. But we'll do the arch up and down. This is the Golden Gate Bridge in the San Francisco Bay Area. This is kind of a detail bridge, so you might have to slow down or press pause right here, or go check out a picture of Jordan Poole and see what you think. And then the number 3, okay? Draw that in a little thick. It doesn't show up as perfect as we want, but that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit fast forward. I'm gonna color the rest of the Golden State Warriors logo, flesh color, orange basketball, flesh color. Leave the shoes white, leave the jersey white. We'll have some yellow stripes, so be on the lookout for that. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Jordan Poole of the Golden State Warriors. Please subscribe. We're trying to build that subscriber base. Click right now, subscribe, let us know who you'd like to see next. Fast forward now.